What's the coldest place in the universe? No, it's not Pluto, not the dark side of the moon, not even the vast emptiness between galaxies. It's a place so cold. It's colder than space itself, colder than the cosmic microwave background, the leftover heat from the Big Bang. A place where temperatures drop below minus 272 degrees Celsius. Just 1 degree above absolute zero. And it's not a black hole. It's not even a planet. It's a ghost. A dying star's final breath. This is the Boomerang Nebula, a protoplanetary nebula formed from a red giant star in its final stages of life. Welcome to In Space Channel. Before we continue, please subscribe to see more of our videos and follow for more. So let's get started. It's roughly 5,000 light years away. In the southern constellation of Centaurus floats a strange, silent object. It doesn't glow like a star. It doesn't orbit like a planet. It doesn't explode like a supernova. It just exhales. But what makes it truly extraordinary is its temperature. Most of the universe sits at a chilly minus 270 degrees Celsius. That's 2.7 Kelvin, the temperature of the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Nothing in nature should be colder than that. But the Boomerang Nebula breaks the rules. Its outer gas cloud has been measured at 1 Kelvin, colder than the background of space itself. How is that even possible? To understand this cosmic freezer, we need to rewind time. Billions of years ago, a star, not unlike our sun, began to die. As it ran out of fuel, it expanded into a red giant, then began shedding its outer layers in a massive, slow-motion exhale. But this star wasn't just puffing out gas. It was blasting it out at over 600,000 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to circle Earth 15 times in a single hour. Here's where the magic happens. As the gas expands, it cools. It's the same principle behind how a can of compressed air gets cold when you spray it. But in the Boomerang Nebula, this effect is supercharged. The gas expands so rapidly and so far that it cools below the temperature of space itself. To put this in perspective, Antarctica's coldest temperature, minus 89 degrees Celsius. Liquid nitrogen, minus 196 degrees Celsius. Deep space, minus 270 degrees Celsius. Boomerang Nebula, minus 272.15 degrees Celsius. That's just 1 degree above absolute zero, the point where all atomic motion stops. Nothing moves, nothing vibrates. It's the closest thing to perfect stillness in nature. At 1 Kelvin, atoms barely jiggle. Molecules slow to a crawl. Even light struggles to interact with matter. It's a place where time feels frozen, where the universe holds its breath. At the center of this icy cloud is the dying star itself, still glowing faintly, still shedding mass. Eventually, it will become a white dwarf, a dense, Earth-sized ember of what it once was. But for now, it's surrounded by a halo of frozen breath, expanding into the void. There are thousands of nebulae in the universe. Some glow with radiation. Some pulse with newborn stars. Some are the graves of supernovae. But only one is colder than the cosmos. Only one is the coldest place we've ever found. Why does this matter? Because it reminds us that the universe is still full of surprises. That even in death, a star can do something no one expected. That beauty and mystery can exist in the coldest, quietest corners of space. There are other places out there, even colder, even stranger, waiting to be found. It's the only known natural object in the universe to do this. Here's the twist. The Boomerang Nebula is dying. Its cold breath won't last forever. As the gas continues to expand, it will thin out. The temperature will rise. The nebula will fade. In a few thousand years, it will be gone, invisible to the naked eye. But for now, it holds a title no one else can claim. The coldest place in the universe. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep freeze of space, share it to your friends.